Now I am discussing about a sum on standard deviation. Find the mean and the SD from the following frequency distribution. Weight in LV, number of persons. Weight in LV 131 to 140, number of persons 2. Weight 141 to 150, number of persons 5. Weight 151 to 160, number of persons 4. Weight 161 to 170, number of persons 9. Weight 171 to 180, number of persons 7. Weight 181 to 190, number of persons 5. Weight 191 to 210, number of persons 3. Weight 211 to 240, number of person 1. Solution. I have made a table for the calculation of mean and standard deviation. I have made 6 columns to represent the data and for the calculation of SD. Weight in LV, first column, second column frequency, third column mid value denoted by X, fourth column Y is equal to X minus 165.5 by 10, then Fy, then Fy square column. For weight 131 to 140, frequency 2, mid value 135.5, mid value is equal to 131 plus 140 by 2 is equal to 135.5. Y is equal to X value is 135.5 minus 165.5 by 10 is equal to minus 3. Fy is equal to 2 into minus 3 is equal to minus 6. Fy square is equal to 2 into minus 3 square is equal to 18. Weight 141 to 150, frequency 5, mid value 145.5, Y is equal to 145.5 minus 165.5 by 10 is equal to minus 2. Fy is equal to 5 into minus 2 is equal to minus 10. Fy square is equal to 5 into minus 2 square is equal to 20. Weight 151 to 160, frequency 4, mid value is equal to 155.5. Mid value, how we have calculated mid value? Mid value is equal to 151 plus 160 by 2 is equal to 155.5. Y is equal to 155.5, X is equal to 155.5 minus 165.5 by 10 is equal to minus 1. Fy is equal to 4 into minus 1 is equal to minus 4, and Fy square 4 into minus 1 square is equal to 4. Likewise, other entries have been made. I should note here how I have taken X 65.5. This is equal to middle of the mid value, that is 65.5, and 10 divided by 10 is equal to the 10 is equal to mid value two mid values, difference between two mid values, that is 135.5 minus 145.5, and so 165.5 is equal to, we say it is a origin, and divided by 10 is equal to scale. Formula for the calculation of AM, that is denoted by X bar, is equal to C plus D Y bar is equal to C plus summation Y by N into D, where N is equal to summation F. it is x bar is equal to 165.5 plus 13.5 by 36 into 10 is equal to 165.5 plus 3.75 is equal to 169.25. Formula for the calculation of SD: sigma y is equal to root over summation fy square by n minus summation fy by n whole square. Sigma x is equal to d into sigma y. Sigma y square is equal to 141.75 by 36 minus 13.5 by 36 whole square is equal to 3.938 minus 0.1406 is equal to 3.797. Therefore, sigma y is equal to root over 3.797 is equal to 1.949. Sigma x is equal to d, means d is equal to 10 into sigma y 1.949 is equal to 19.49 is equal to 19.5 NB. For more clarification, go through the book Statistics Made Easy, Volume 1, written by me. Thank you.